Hey everyone, for today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to send or receive funds in Venmo. So, I'm just gonna show you these simple pictures because I can't have Venmo in my country. And this video is very simple, so you can just follow on. So once you're here on this tab right here, you're gonna want to move over to this note, note logo, note icon. Once you do that, just type your friend's name or family or whoever you want to pay or request money from. Type their name. And now, just put an explanation on what's the money for, like a description. And then here, you can select how much. Just select from here. And now, once you've added the money, you can either tap on request or pay. So that's all you have to do. Once again, I'm gonna walk you through it again. Go to the note icon, add their name, username, number or email, and then amount of money, description, pay or request. That's all. It's very simple. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. Any questions? Feel free to comment down below.